Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, epidemiologist, biostatistician, faculty member. And in this segment, I'm going to be going over how to enable macros in Excel. First of all, macros are something that is very important to be able to extend the capabilities of Excel. There's a lot of capabilities that Excel already has. However, there are certain areas that there's much to be desired in terms of what Excel can do. Usually, and from my experience, usually there's not any extra steps that you have to take in order to enable a macro. However, once in a while, you'll get a macro that is being stubborn. So in order to kind of circumvent some of these hurdles, this was something that took me a long time to figure out. However, for you, this portion has been done. It will have been done because I'm showing you how to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where the menu item is to enable macros. So what I did here is I actually extended the scope of what I was showing, so the menu items are now visible. So here's what you do. You go into all the way down to options. And then when you are going into options, you want to go start with going into the Trust Center. There's not anything in this menu. You go into Trust Center settings. And here is where you go into trusted locations. And the mistake that I was making, and this is something that is not necessarily intuitive, is that I was actually allowing the location of the file that I was working on in Excel rather than looking at in the actual folder that the macro is located in. So the important thing is you're not looking to enable the location for the file. In my situation, that's sample_new. That is not what you're after. You're after the place where the macro is. So what you do is you take a look at where this is located, and this is the address for the macro that I'm trying to enable. And you can actually easily tell this by looking at where this is located. Take a look at this here. The address, how do you find that? And these are actually things that you learn as you go along in Excel, because this is not something that you use all the time. So as soon as I click there, the address shows up. And once you have that there, then what you can do is add new location. And I'm not going to add this again. Here's the add new location. What you can do is subfolders of this location are also trusted. So what you're trying to do is trying to tell Excel that this is something that you can trust, and no need to worry. You can again browse here and also get the address that way. So this is the address, and then you just select OK. I'm going to select cancel because that's not something that I've already added this. So here's the address. You copy paste here, and then you can add new location if you have other places. And you don't have to change any of these additional settings. You select OK. And once you do that, select OK here. And so the macro that you have is included. So this was converting IP addresses to longitude, latitude, geospatial data. And there you have it. The IP2 location is there. You can actually include latitude, longitude, and some of the other areas that you might be interested in. Of course, this video was not about the program, the macro, but I used this macro as an example. I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.